Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Text Blender V2. 5 installed and the plugin pack active because missing plugins break blend profiles. Once done, open your document and immediately duplicate the text layer to preserve the original. Next, select the source text block and enable the blending mode. Choose Multiply or Screen depending on contrast. Make sure opacity is at 50% as a baseline. This gives a predictable starting point you can tweak for visibility and alignment. You now tackle the complex middle, mask and algorithm. Start by adding a layer mask to the duplicated text so the blend effects only where needed. This avoids global artifacts. Then switch the blend algorithm, test linear, soft light, and a custom curve to see how they interact with color and contrast, because algorithms change letter edge behavior. Once that looks right, align glyphs with micro-offsets using 1 to 3 pixel nudges and baseline shifts. This fixes kerning clashes and improves legibility. You finish by locking the result and exporting. First, rasterize the blended layer only after confirming shapes and alignment, then apply subtle global sharpening to restore crisp edges. Next, export both SVG for vector uses and PNG for web previews, because different outputs preserve details differently. If you encounter banding or color stepping, add a small amount of noise or increase the document bit depth to 16-bit. This smooths gradients and prevents visible artifacts. Try that first.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.